Okay, good morning, all students. Hope all are doing good. Yes, so I welcome each one of you here again for this day two student training program on preliminary research. So today will be the day two of the program. Okay, so I request each one of you to maintain the same decor and the discipline as we have done yesterday, and I want each one of you to interact with the resource person. Okay, you can if you have any questions, you can post them in the chat box. Okay, they will be addressing at the end. Okay, as well as, okay, please keep your uh, audio and video button off. Okay, so are we good to go now? Okay, I will hand it over the session now to our resource person, Dr. Sheetal Patil and Dr. Vinaya Naik. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Sonal ma'am. Good morning, student. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Yes, good morning, everyone. A nice morning without rain, at least at my place. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all have enjoyed the sessions of yesterday's. So today, okay, Vinaya ma'am, yeah, you may proceed. Vinaya ma'am, are you talking? Okay, sorry, students, some kind of miscommunication. Sorry, some kind of miscommunication. I was just awaiting for Vinaya ma'am to say something. So it's okay, fine, absolutely. So we did started the journey of research yesterday. On the same part, we'll be proceeding ahead. So this is what the day two is about, research methodology, wherein again we are diving deep into the research, but familiarized with some kind of preliminary concept yesterday. Okay, so let's go ahead. Today I'll be taking the part which is one of the very integral, very critical part of research, that is called as review of literature. I can see some of my TY students have also joined, so I would better ask them to keep quiet because then they are ready with the answers. So I don't want them to interrupt here. Okay, you all can enjoy and you can relearn that if you are willing to. Okay, so before I proceed, before right, Rutuja. Okay, so before I proceed ahead, voice is echoing. Just a moment.
Yes.
Is it now echoing? Because I have muted now my speaker, so I will not be able to hear anything. Okay, great, great. So that means I have to off my speaker. So I had off my speaker. So whatever queries you do have, kindly do type in the chat box. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to cooperate and coordinate. Okay, so students, kindly listen. Any doubts, any queries, kindly put up in the chat box so we can, make the session very smoothly. Now it's no echoing, right, ma'am? Just acknowledge in the message. Okay, great, great, great. Fine, fine. Pooja ma'am, I won't be able to hear at all because I have muted my speaker. So I can just see the chat box and I can revert you all. Okay, going great. Let's go ahead. So just a random, one single question. What you feel? What can be review of literature? Any random guesses? Any random guesses? What you feel? What can be review of literature? Yes, student, with the same NTU, I need an answer. What can be review of literature? क्या हो सकता है? Review क्या हो सकता है? Have you seen any kind of any reviews, overview kind of? Okay, okay, Shruti, not bad. Yes, yes, from this other class of mine. What can be the review of literature? Literature छोड़ दो, review का मतलब क्या होगा? What can be review? A study of existing literature content. Okay, Aishwarya, fine, because you are from masters. Okay, feedback. Okay, yes, this class. Yes, Isha, identifying a response of feedback previously published. Okay, okay, right. So if we keep research aside, the review basically means what? कोई movie आता है तो उसका trailer आता है, right? And on the basis of trailer, we decide whether to go or not to go. Similarly, review of literature is also kind of a trailer. Before I start my journey, I will just go through that trailer and get to know that चीजें बराबर है या नहीं है, what should I do, what should not I do, whether I should go for that particular thing or not. So similarly, in review of literature, we actually review whatever is published earlier. Basically, review of literature is, I'll just go through, I'll just proceed ahead. This is what is review of literature. It is a heart and essence and a soul of a research, without which research is incomplete. We cannot do any kind of research or we cannot proceed. So a literature review is a summarized description of the literature relevant to a particular field or a topic. जैसे आपका कोई भी topic है, for that topic your review of literature is something you are studying the earlier concept, studying the earlier published material. Okay, it gives you an overview of what others have done, what others have studied. Yes, right, it is a kind of summary. Okay, yes, any other answers? It's a kind of summary. Just a minute. Overview of the previously published work on a specific topic. Yes, absolutely right, Srirag and Divyana. Okay. So, on the basis of this overview, what has been said earlier, what they have researched, what are the key findings of those authors जिन्होंने ये पहले सब किया है. Its literature review are designed to provide an overview of the sources which you have explored while researching for a particular topic. अगर simple level पे ले, तो basically we can take an example of if we are planning a trip after graduation. Suppose तुम लोग एक trip प्लान करो आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन. हम लोग का ग्रेजुएशन ऑनलाइन हुआ. यो यस, वी आर डन आवर एग्जाम सो इजीली. ओके, नाउ वी आर प्लानिंग अप सम काइंड ऑफ ट्रिप. ओके, अभी वो ट्रिप प्लान करना है, तो आप क्या क्या दिमाग में लोगे? व्हाट थिंग्स विल कम इनटू योर माइंड इफ यू वांट टू प्लान अ ट्रिप? टेल मी. आपको ट्रिप प्लान करना है, व्हाट थिंग्स यू विल टेक इनटू कंसीडरेशन? लोकेशन, बजट, फाइन. व्हाट एल्स? व्हाट एल्स? व्हाट एल्स? This class, this my other class with less number of students, where are other students are joining. What review we will take, Avinash? Which review you will take? Budget, transportation, accommodation. ये कहाँ से इंक्वायर करोगे? Number of people coming. Absolutely right. Okay. ये आप लोग कहाँ से find out करोगे? Yes, Avinash. What review you will take here? What review you will take here? Travel agency, website. उनको check करोगे, right? कहाँ पे ज्यादा रिव्यूज अच्छे हैं, कौन सा अच्छा है, and accordingly you are deciding. Yes, I should go for Goa. In Goa, this destination. In Manali, this destination. In Rajasthan, XYZ destination, right? Yes or no? We do review that. What are the specialties? Accordingly, we decide. मुझे क्या explore करना है, right? We basically in trips we do explore. You all are getting connected. मेरे साथ ट्रेन में बैठे हो तुम लोग. You are getting connected. Yes. कि मैंने डिसाइड किया कि ये मैंने चीजें देखा है एंड लोगों ने ये चीज को बेस्ट बोला है. पीपल हैव रिव्यूड इट एज एक्सट्रीमली बेस्ट प्लेस where we can actually also explore and do something very new and exciting. Okay, the similar way is called as your review of literature. So wherein we are basically reviewing the others material बिफोर आई डू माई रिसर्च. जैसे मैंने डिसाइड किया मुझे ऑनलाइन लर्निंग पे रिसर्च करना है. अभी ऑनलाइन लर्निंग पे कितने लोगों ने पहले रिसर्च किया है, उन लोगों ने क्या फाइंड आउट किया है? सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय रिसर्च, व्हाट इज प्योरली मीन बाय रिसर्च. रिसर्च क्या है बताओ मुझे, व्हाट इज मीन बाय रिसर्च? रिसर्च क्या है? व्हेन वी से रिसर्च, रिसर्च मीन्स व्हाट? When we say research, kal Dr. Vinaya ma'am have explained you all what is mean by research. You all have answered that. Okay, what is mean by research? What is research? Yes, guys, be quick. Research क्या है? Research क्या है? To going into depth, finding something new, to know something in detail. That is what हम लोग analyze कर रहे. But if I say research, searching something new, we can say searching something new which is not explored yet. Actually जो हम लोग research पढ़ रहे हैं ना, whatever we are learning, that is from the point of view of something which has not explored. Unexplored thing को explore करना is called as research. Finding, yes, absolutely Avinash, finding new facts or finding some kind of new conclusion which nobody have found it out or nobody have acknowledged it. अरे हाँ ये ऐसे भी हो सकता था, right? That's called as research. So review of literature will give you the gateway. It will give you a light. It is a kind of your, वो सी लाइट में क्या होता है, वो समुद्र में क्या होता है, देयर इज अ लाइट हाउस. सो इट बेसिकली गिव यू अ लाइट. Yes, these are the areas which are unexplored, and then select the one which can best suit your requirement of topic. Are you all getting my point? Are you all getting my point? That is a kind of lighthouse. Review of literature is actually a kind of lighthouse which will give you, हम लोग light subject ही डालते हैं, and then we see that yes वो place पे हम लोग reach हो सकते हैं. So similarly it is a review of literature. I hope I am very much clear about what do you mean by review of literature now. Okay, so it is about connecting the dots among the past, present and future. ROL क्या है? Dots connect करता है कि बाबा जैसे I will say Avinash have studied online learning in 2019. Adesh have studied in 2020, and now Faiza want to do it in 2021. Okay, Avinash and Adesh had done in 1920 and 2021, and Faiza now wants to do in 2021-22. Now Faiza will read what Avinash and what Adesh have done. What things they explored. Assume Avinash ने किया science के students पे study, आदेश ने किया कॉमर्स में BMS स्टूडेंट्स पे स्टडी. फैजा डिसाइडेड व्हाई नॉट टू डू फॉर मास्टर कोर्स. So this is what something area is unexplored and I am touching to that. अभी फैजा को how she get to know that ये नहीं ये area is not explored. How फैजा got to know that this area of master's research has not been done. How फैजा got to know? Please tell me in the chat box. How फैजा got to know that this area of research in masters have not been yet done. How she get to know or he get to know? Because I'm so sorry, I really don't know about to call he or she. You may just tell me in the chat box, so I'll go accordingly. Yes, here I can get the answer. Okay, Faiza is she. Yes, thank you, Faiza. Okay, so Faiza has reviewed, right? फैजा ने देखा कि कितने लोगों ने ऑनलाइन स्टडी किया है, उनका आउटकम क्या है, उन्होंने कहाँ पे सर्वे किया था, एंड देन फैजा डिसाइडेड yes, now this is the point nobody have touched, let me explore that. That's why we do a review of literature. My this batch is getting Avinash and friends batch, Avinash, Sanjam, Sanjana, Adesh and all. Yes, Vishakha, thank you. Okay, so this is basically a connecting of dots between past, present and future. Deciding all these parameters needed for a study. Likewise, a movie production. Movie production में भी वैसे ही होता है, which is the last hit. जैसे कि मैम ने कल एग्जांपल दिया था नेटफ्लिक्स का. अभी नेटफ्लिक्स में ज्यादा बड़ा ट्रेंड कौन सा है अभी मुझे बताओ. Which is the most famous trend? Which are the serials which are go on hit? कौन से सीरियल्स हिट होते हैं? टेल मी. जिन लोग नेटफ्लिक्स या आपका अमेजॉन प्राइम पे जो मूवीज आते हैं वेब सीरीज, उसमें से कौन से ज्यादा हिट होते हैं? Which are the themes which are most hit? Tell me. अच्छा नाम तो बताओ कौन से वेब सीरीज. I think तुम लोग सब लोग देखते हो वेब सीरीज, right? Some or other way. Most recommended one. Breaking Bad, Light, Thrillers. Okay. सबसे पॉपुलर ज्यादा कैसे जाता है? जैसे कि फैमिली. Yes, ईशा, you got my point. कि अभी फैमिली मैन है, उसने क्रैक कर दिया है, सब रिकॉर्ड्स ब्रेक किए. And this is something people are loving. Yes, scam is also scam है, mystery है. Okay, so this is what something is getting an edge. तो अगर कल जाके मैं और जैनिश या मैं और श्रीराग we decide let's create one web series, okay, or me and Isha or Sakshi decides let's go and create one kind of web series for us. So कैसा करने, कौन सा करने का? So we refer. मैं बोलती हूँ जैनिश you check out Prime, Isha you check out Netflix, Sanjana you check out the other portal and just study which is the most popular. Then which is the not explored one. Then we will exchange the idea. We will study कि क्या है, क्या past में हुआ, क्या अभी trend में है, and what we can do for a future. This is how the movies are planned, right? Isn't it? Yes, is it the way the movies are planned? Right? So this is why ROL comes into the picture. Okay, so this is how ROL comes. Okay, so that's the research, and so we do ROL. So it is a summarized form of published information. Are you all getting my point? So अगर जैसे मैंने बोला था, Faiza wants to do a paper now. Now Faiza has referred Avinash paper. Faiza has referred Adesh paper. Now Faiza will take out कि आदेश ने कौन सा एरिया. आदेश ने मुंबई के वेस्टर्न पार्ट के कॉलेजेस किए. जैनिश ने या श्रीराग ने have done some other southern part of मुंबई किया. तो नॉर्दर्न एंड ईस्टर्न पार्ट के कॉलेजेस या न्यू बॉम्बे के कॉलेजेस किए नहीं. So Faiza is deciding now why I should not explore this particular. So Faiza got to know it from this published information. Okay, फैजा ने शायद ये पेपर नेट पे सर्च किए, फैजा ने ये पेपर कॉलेज में स्टडी किए. Okay, so this is how we get connected and why there is a need of ROL. I hope you all are getting my points very clear. If any kinds of doubt, kindly type in the chat box. Yes, going good till now? Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so why we do this review of literature? ये review of literature अभी मैं PPT बताने से पहले मुझे बताओ why it is important. Tell me now. मैंने अभी इतना स्टोरी बताया, तुम लोग बताओ अभी मुझे why this ROL is important. Why we need to do review? ये review क्यों करने का है? ये review क्यों करने का है लिटरेचर के लिए? ये review of literature क्यों करना है रिसर्च में? Be quick, fast, fast, fast. ROL क्यों important है? To make future plans, yes. To don't miss on key factor, yes. Identify करने का कौन सा important factors है? Explore something more. Finding possible way out कि और क्या unexplored way है? Absolutely right. Okay. What else? Selection of the best factor to get good idea. जैसे कि मैं जब इतना सारा रीडिंग करती हूँ मुझे पता पड़ता है अरे लोगों ने ना ये चीज पे कभी एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया. How would I get to know? By doing a review. Absolutely good. Very good. Going good. So why we do review of literature? Now come to the point. Actually हम लोग रिसर्च में क्यों रिव्यू करते हैं? This is because concept building. जैसे कि अगर मुझे कोई टॉपिक डिजाइन भी करना है, टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना है फॉर माय रिसर्च, जैसे कि you all are okay. Tell me in short. Tell me how people are from BAF apart from BMS. Which streams people are there? कौन से streams है apart from BMS? I know BMS students are there. Apart from BMS, who all are there? Type in the chat box bit quick. Apart from BMS, BAF is there. Okay, fine. Thank you, Sakshi. Apart from BAF and BMS, who's there? BCom. Great. Apart from BMS and BAF and BCom, one is MCom that I know. Anybody else? Okay. So, assuming this, okay, fine, not an issue. Okay. So, हम लोग सब लोग TY में जाके project करने वाले, right? We all will be doing our TY projects, which were the black book project. So in which आपको मैम बोलेंगे या कोऑर्डिनेटर बोलेंगे रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर करना है. बेसिकली व्हाट माय स्टूडेंट्स डू इज व्हाट, नेट से कोई पेपर उठाओ, वहां से कॉपी करो, पेस्ट करो. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर. मैम मेरा रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर हो गया एक दिन में, एक घंटे में. मैम माय प्रोजेक्ट इज रेडी. डोंट डू दैट गाइस. Okay, yes, this is what we do. Okay, so that should not be there. So when we are doing review of literature, actually we have to review. See, देखो genuinely 400-500 review कर ही सकते हैं. When we read, we get the knowledge. If we don't read, we are going to fail. Though it is exam or though it is anything. Okay, so let's see what to be done. Okay, so let's begin. So it is for concept building. Concept building matlab whatever my topic of research is. This review of literature used to demonstrate your understanding about the subject matter. It helps in developing conceptual understanding. कि अगर online learning है या usage of mobile applications among youth, या usage of mobile among youths, or online learning and along with the doing some kind of job on which I need to understand क्या market में क्या trend चालू है, क्या लोगों ने study किया. So this means identifying, summarizing and critically assessing what happened in past and trying to connect it with feature, it with your present. You got to know it is what connecting basically what happened in past and what I want to do now. I'll be connecting my dots here. So concept building होता है उससे I get understanding better about a particular topic. जैसे कि कल आपको मैम ने बोला हम लोग को डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन है, so who all will be participating? So you always say I'll be ready. So when you do and participate into debate competition, at that time what you do? आप गूगल करोगे, आप चेक करोगे क्या क्या टॉपिक्स है, क्या क्या उसके ऊपर आया, and you will create your pointers, right? Yes or no? On the basis of yeah, work from home to Avinash. Yes. On the basis of what I was talking about, अगर आपको debate competition बोला, what you will do? You will do Google. You will use your newspapers at home and you will try to jot down some pointers, right? और जब आपको टीचर बोलेगी या फैकल्टी पूछेगी कहाँ से ये तुझे पता पड़ा, कौन बोला ये ऐसा है, then you will say, ma'am, this article published in XYZ newspaper, I got to know and so I took point from there. Then teacher says, okay, fine, very good, right? So this is what we do. We try to connect the dots, what happened in past with our current needs. That's why we do review of literature. This also helps us in doing the current study. How many people have studied it earlier? what they have studied and what they did not study. I will get to know. You can get to know about various past and current studies going on your selected topic of research, and that can give you an insight how I should proceed with. कि लोगों ने ए बी सी चेस किया है बट डी को कभी हाथ ही नहीं लगाया. Nobody have learned from the D concept. Okay, so this is how it will help you. Identifying variables. कल हम लोग ने variable concept पढ़ा था. Will you please just type in the chat box variable मतलब क्या? In short, 2 words, 2 to 3 words. What can be variable? What can be variables? Variables क्या है? A number. Okay. What is variable? Changeable, numerical. Yes. What is here? मेरा first class, my first class of the 100 student. An attribute or a value which an attribute whose value is going to keep on changing, that is called as variable. So variable मतलब मेरे जो टॉपिक है, मेरा टॉपिक ऑफ रिसर्च है जो भी, उसके हीरो एंड हीरोइन. जैसे कि कल हम लोग ने देखा था ऑनलाइन लर्निंग एंड अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स वेयर हीरो हीरोइन ऑफ आवर मूवी. कल हम लोग ने एक टॉपिक देखा था, टाइटल देखा था, जो मैंने बताया था वो ऑनलाइन लर्निंग, इम्पैक्ट ऑफ स्टडी ऑन इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ऑनलाइन लर्निंग अमॉन्ग अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स, राइट. तो वो उसमें ऑनलाइन लर्निंग एंड अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट विच वी वांटेड टू स्टडी. तो कौन से फैक्टर लर्न करना चाहिए? जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जांपल दिया, आदेश एंड श्रीराग और अविनाश हैव पब्लिश्ड अ पेपर एंड नाउ फैजा वांट्स टू डू. सो फैजा गॉट टू नो ऑनलाइन लर्निंग तो बहुत लोगों ने किया है, कॉमर्स पे भी किया है, साइंस पे भी किया है, बट मास्टर्स पे नहीं किया है, अंडर ग्रेजुएट पे किया है, मास्टर्स पे नहीं किया है. सो फैजा इज सेइंग लेट्स डू ऑन मास्टर्स. सो बाय डूइंग करंट स्टडी Faiza got to know this is an unexplored area. Okay, it's very simple. Identifying variables. So it will help you to identify the variable. A thorough ROL can introduce you to various variable. You know, even Faiza can find out masters may be here and the people who are doing work from home, how much the online learning is impactful on that. ये किसी ने पढ़ाई नहीं किया. So by reading, going through different literature, Faiza got to know that yes, this is something unexplored. This is a new variable which I can find out. Okay, so one can also get new variable which not have been studied earlier. So ROL can give you a good scope of study and understanding about the relationships among different variable. Okay, you can get different variables out of review of literature. Then gap analysis, that's again the same thing. Faiza got to know masters and online learning or masters along with work from home. Nobody have explored. Okay, so let's explore that. Yeah, online learning with reference to impact of online learning or study on online learning with reference to handicapped student registered in University of Mumbai. सोचा है कभी? Tell me, ऐसा कोई स्टडी थॉट में आता है, दिमाग में आता है? ऑनलाइन लर्निंग का इम्पैक्ट हम लोग को पता है, हम लोग के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट है, बट हैव इट गिव यू थॉट इनटू योर माइंड एवर कि what will be the impact on the students who are handicapped, who cannot see, who may not be able to hear? What can be the impact on that? कि एक्सप्लोर हो सकता है? शायद से नहीं, शायद से नहीं. So the more study, I will just put it on Google कि impact of online learning on handicapped student or disabled people. Check that. अगर वो नहीं है, I will get to know. So this is what I will get to know the gap. Okay, और ये gap कहाँ से पता पड़ता है? मैं आपको बताऊंगी. I will tell you exactly how to review the paper. Okay, तो उससे पता पड़ता है जब scope आता है ना. What is the future scope from which we get to know the gap analysis? So basically, ROL can bring the light on the undiscovered areas. As I said, it is a kind of lighthouse. कि ये मैंने देखा, ये हो चुका है, वो हो चुका है, वो हो चुका है. और when we keep the filter, when we have a plan or we want to go out, we want to make a trip, we do the filter on Go, IBBO or Trivago. I put the filters because the things which I don't want, I'm removing that and I'm trying to explore something unexplored. Okay, so that gap I can get with the help of ROL. So an effective ROL can help in identifying inconsistency. लोगों ने क्या किया है और क्या नहीं किया है. From that I can take out my topic. Also it helps in structuring the questionnaire. Questionnaire मतलब जब आप research करते हो which is based on survey. जैसे कि BMS batch A, division A is performing better than division B or division B performing better than division A, for which I have to survey some kind of questions. सो आई विल बी गिविंग सम काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन है, तो कौन से क्वेश्चन देने के, कौन सा क्वेश्चन इफेक्टिव है, विच आई विल गेट टू नो थ्रू इवन द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स विच आर ऑलरेडी पब्लिश्ड. जैसे कि अगर आप आई एम अज्यूमिंग यू ऑल आर कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट, राइट? So being a commerce student, you may take a study for your TY that consumer behavior towards online buying or online retailing, or consumer behavior towards the retailing or the online retail in pandemic or pre-pandemic and post-pandemic. उसके लिए कौन सा क्वेश्चंस बेस्ट है? आप तो क्वेश्चनर बनाओगे. यू ऑल नो अबाउट व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्वेश्चन. डू यू डू ऑनलाइन परचेसिंग और नॉट? ये हम लोग शायद कल करते हैं, जैसा टाइम परमिट करता है. ओके, तो ये क्वेश्चनर में कौन सा क्वेश्चन डालू, वो भी आई कैन डू फ्रॉम माई ROL. My ROL, by reviewing different papers, I will also get to know which are the best questions which I should include into my questionnaire, so that my study becomes stronger, my study becomes effectful and impactful. Okay, I hope you all are with me. So आपका questionnaire हो सकता है इससे. Review the literature for the sample size. जैसे कि हम लोग ने कल सैम्पलिंग टेक्निक्स देखा, ठीक है, सैम्पलिंग डिजाइन कैसे करना है, लेकिन आइडियल सैंपल साइज क्या होगा? तो वो आइडियल सैंपल साइज के लिए इफ आई डू स्टडी और रिव्यू द पेपर, रिव्यू द थीसिस, रिव्यू द जर्नल, आई विल गेट टू नो. लोग 500 लोगों को सर्वे करते हैं, लोग 5000 को लोगों को सर्वे करते हैं. देन वी कैन थिंक, अगर एक स्टेट के लिए लोगों ने 5000 लोगों का सर्वे किया है, देन हाउ मच आई शुड टेक फॉर अ सिटी. If people are doing a research with 5,000 respondent for a state, then I can take 500 respondent for Mumbai city. So this is how it also help in identifying what can be the ideal sample size based on your ROL. तो कल जाके अगर आपके प्रोफेसर बोलते हैं, भाई तूने 50 क्यों लिया, भाई तूने 100 क्यों लिया सैंपल साइज, then you can justify, ma'am, I did referred my research paper, these research paper, wherein they are stating that these one is the sample size for XYZ places. So on the basis of that, I finalized my sample size. Justifiable? Justifiable? It is basically creating an evidence for your base of research. ROL क्या है? एक evidence है. It's a proof which talks about how you got to know about your sources. Are you all getting my points? Are you all getting my points? And then report writing, definitely it also help you to कैसे मुझे report लिखना है, how I can write my report, how I can write my research paper effectively, which is a topic for tomorrow. Okay, let's move ahead. That is all about why we should do review. And then when review of literature is done, now my question to you all, listen very carefully. Okay, listen very carefully. मुझे बताओ, when you will do review literature, आप literature कब review करोगे बताओ मुझे. When you will review the literature, before starting a research, like before writing a paper or after writing a paper? Before writing a paper or after writing a paper, and why? Before writing a paper or after writing a paper? Here, my other class, please do answer. Okay, right? Before, very important is before. और हम लोग, my TY student usually do what? Before I declare the topic, they have ROL ready in their hand. Ma'am, my ROL is ready. How? I just copy pasted. क्या लिखा है ROL में पता नहीं है. So when external people do come and then they ask, we are locked. We don't have answer. क्योंकि उन लोग पूछते कहाँ से लाया? Google से लिया. Some of the people who want to answer that, I took it from Google. Never do that. Okay. So yes, it is done before. Okay. Just a moment. So ROL is done for the topic research, and when it is to be done, मुझे अगर कोई टॉपिक ढूंढना है, मुझे अगर मेरा रिसर्च स्टार्ट भी करना है, उसके पहले आई हैव टू डू ROL. सो आई विल गेट टू नो कि मेरे कौन से हीरो हीरोइन है. व्हेन आई से हीरो हीरोइन आर माय वेरिएबल्स, कौन से वेरिएबल्स है, क्या टॉपिक हो सकता है, मैं ये पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट पे क्या स्टडी कर सकती हूँ या सकता हूँ, that I can do with the help of ROL. So ROL is always done before your research, or before even finalizing your topic, you have to do your ROL. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Okay, let's go ahead. What can be the challenges in review of literature? सबसे बड़ा challenge क्या है? सबसे बड़ा challenge. Can you see on my screen? Can you see on PPT? सबसे बड़ा challenge. Tell me in the chat box. Tell me in the chat box. सबसे बड़ा challenge in case of ROL. What? Yes, ma'am. What is the सबसे बड़ा problem? Type in the chat box. Absolutely. We hate reading. We can, watch, but we don't want to read. Absolutely biggest mistake in ROL is what? We fail in reading. At times, we read, but we may not read what is actually needed. Okay, so reading is the biggest problem which are faced in case of review of literature. It starts with reading. So here one can be artistic while reading. Read करने का भी एक art है. There is an art of reading. How you are reading? You are reading just by giving a glance, or you are taking down the point. What is the best method of reading? When you are reading for some kind of study, how do you read? How do you read for your study? Reading में आप कैसे read करते हो? When we do reading, exactly how we should read? Take out the pointers. अगर मैं pointers लेने का मुझे habit है, then I'm having a good reading habit because I know what I am searching for. Though it is about research, though it is about my trip which I wanted to go out of India or in India, I will take out the pointer or I'll make my filter ready कि मुझे ये चीजें चाहिए and I'll put tick mark, tick mark, tick mark. Right? So reading is very important, very essential for your ROL. Okay. So so one need to select a repeated journal or articles for an effective ROL. जब हम actual research करना चाहते हैं वो time पे ROL to be done from a proper research journal or research article, not a randomly picking anything. We have a Google which is easily available, but Google has any things which are randomly put into. So which is valid, which is not valid, one has to be very careful about. Okay, then what to review exactly? That's what my next question is. That is a problem. कि मैम मैं क्या रिव्यू करूं? मुझे तो गूगल पे ये मिला वो मिला, so I reviewed that. But actually what to review is books, is the journals, is the articles. Okay, articles from newspaper, something which is very authentic. Okay, articles are very much authentic because they are proven and they are published with a proper legal structure. So refer your newspaper, refer some articles and journal. कौन सा refer करना? I'll come to you on that later. Okay, how to review? Now, when we are doing a ROL, researcher need to take a pointers. As Jenny said, we have to put up a pointers. We have to take a notes. We have to have a habit of taking down the notes. वो छूट ही गया है मैम. कॉलेज में होता था तो हम लोग सोच भी सकते थे. अभी तो ऑनलाइन है. We don't bother about like taking it down also. Right? So it is very important to have a habit of writing the key points. Next comes as your authenticity of source. That's what I said about which sources you are using, whether the sources are reliable or not. One need to check the authenticity and which are the authentic resource. I will come to that. Which journals to refer? Many journals are available, but one can opt for the library sources. जैसे e-library sources है. There is a Enlist करके option है. When we will go in the actual college, there is something called as Enlist. Enlist is an option where you can get, आपको books भी मिलते हैं Enlist पे. You can get the books also, your textbook also, but for which you have to enroll for your library and then you can get these benefits once we become offline. Okay, because we are still not working with the library. Okay, Avinash, very good. Z library too, very good. I think you read a lot. Okay, and there are ample of libraries which are available online too. Okay, I think IIT का भी खुद का e-library available है. So you can always go to that and refer that. These are becoming something which is authentic sources to read. Then subscription issues. Subscribe some of the good journals. Subscribe some of the good magazines which you can actually read and understand. Okay, अगर मुझे business करना है, अगर मुझे networking करना है, अगर मुझे digital marketing करना है, अगर मुझे video jockey बनना है, I subscribe to those things, and then you will get to know about more thing or more information about the area in which you want to study. Okay, problem in understanding the language or technical aspect, that can be a problem. At times, the language can be very much full of jargons or full of technical language, which can be very difficult to understand. So that can be a really genuine problem, and that can be done, that can be overcome with the help of some kind of guide or some kind of people who can actually guide you or advise you on understanding that effectively. So this is how you can overcome by consulting. And then lastly, how many to be reviewed? Kitna review hona chahiye? There is no limit on ROL. There is no limit on ROL. You can do maximum, but at least 5 to 10 articles, 5 to 10 journals, 5 to 10 books need to be reviewed for effective research. Okay, I hope we are clear on this part. Okay, yes, are we clear? Any doubts? Shruti says National Government Library is also there. Yes. What else? Are we clear? Are we clear? Here, my other batch. Yes, absolutely. Okay. So next we go on literature review process. So basically literature review कैसे करने का, how we begin on literature review. So I have a thought into my mind कि बाबा yes, I want to do on online learning, I want to do on applications, I want to do on some kind of XYZ topic. तो टॉपिक लेने के बाद आई हैव टू कलेक्ट द मटेरियल ईदर फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन सोर्सेस और आई कैन कलेक्ट इट फ्रॉम ऑफलाइन सोर्सेस लाइक न्यूज पेपर और आई मे हैव अ लाइब्रेरी नियर बाय ऑल्सो. आपके एरिया में, हर एरिया में वी हैव अ रोड ट्रैक फैसिलिटी wherein you can go and read whatever content you want, or even in case of some kind of Samaj Kalyan Hall, the social welfare committees, those also are there in every local community. तो वहां पे भी आपको रीडिंग मटेरियल मिल सकता है इफ दे आर हैविंग अ लाइब्रेरी कंटेंट. सो दैट इज हाउ वी कैन अवेलेबल विद द लाइब्रेरी, और देयर आर ample of material which is available online. I'll show how to do it. Identify and jot down the key content. Very, very important. The key for ROL is write down your pointers. Okay, make a note of pointers, what you need, what you not. Even framing of your objective and hypothesis, which is the next content which will be taken by Vinaya ma'am, will also help you through ROL. ROL आपको हेल्प आउट करेगा. मेरे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या हो सकते हैं, what can be my objective, I can get it actually from ROL, because it will give me a more clarity about दूसरों ने क्या लिखा है और मैं मेरे को कैसे improve कर सकती हूँ, how I can differentiate my objective from the others. Okay, that one can also get with the ROL process. And then we write and organize review and finding. This is how ROL process. So it starts before your research and it passes throughout your research process. ROL is not a one time job. आप कोई भी रिसर्च करोगे वो ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस है, डेवलपमेंट होते रहते हैं. ओके, I just came across with one of my friend who did her research. At that time, pandemic आ गया, and due to pandemic, the topic she was learning actually, which was about the offline, she couldn't complete. She had to wait for and she had to apply for extension of time because the topic was based on the practical applicability, which she could not do with the help of online facilities. So this is how it is very important to do that review of literature regularly, and which can help you to upgrade your topic. Next come is your how to initiate. I hope you all are not getting bored. I hope you all are not getting bored. So कैसे start करेंगे? Same thing. एक narrow area लो और उसको narrow your focus topic, like from broader area to narrow it down. जैसे मैंने बोला online learning, but now online learning is a very wide topic. Online learning I can study on worldwide, nationwide, statewide, citywide. So it is not possible for me to keep online learning at a worldwide I would be able to learn. So I have to lower down on my topic. Okay, so that my ROL can help me out on focusing on my topic. Read different articles, journals, esteemed journal, highlight the record key points, the same thing which I've shown in the previous slide, the same thing is there. Okay, how we review the literature. Abhi, this is very, very important. Okay, I want you all to pay the attention. How we write the review of literature. Review of literature कैसे लिखने का? Kindly be attentive, guys. Okay, so for writing review of literature, what we should look after, हम लोग को क्या देखना है? These are the keys to open the door. मुझे अगर डोर ओपन करना है, आई नीड की, आई शुड नो विच एग्जैक्ट की आई शुड यूज. अदरवाइज अगर मुझे पूरा कीज का गुच्छा दिया, आई विल बी वेस्टिंग माई टाइम इन ट्राइंग एन एरर, कौन सा की यूज करो. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली टू रिव्यू in the paper when I know right source, what to review. One is check the abstract and introduction. कोई भी रिसर्च पेपर का हम लोग को एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट देखना पड़ता है, इंट्रोडक्शन देखना पड़ता है. देन आई हैव टू चेक व्हाट वेर द ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पर्पस ऑफ दैट स्टडी, देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मेथोडोलॉजी दे हैव यूज्ड, एंड आई हैव टू चेक द फाइंडिंग्स. उसका फाइंडिंग क्या है? ये पेपर का क्रस्क है. मैंने स्टार्ट में लिखा था ROL इज अ essence and body soul of a research. So this is what, when I'm studying any research paper, actually I'm grabbing the heart of the research. I'm taking out the soul of the research paper. अगर ये पेपर से हटा दिया तो पेपर is zero. It is a zero, just a content copy pasted. Okay, so this is something which is very essential, which ROL can give it to me. And these are some of the sources. Please do listen very carefully. Sources can be primary sources. Sources can be secondary sources. When we say primary sources, these are the reports. जैसे कि कल जाके आपको फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट बनाने का है. ओके, फाइनेंस का कोई टॉपिक है आपका, जैसे कि फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट और इंटरेस्ट रेट एक्सेट्रा, फॉर विच RBI डू हैव देयर रिपोर्ट्स. RBI का रिपोर्ट्स होता है, NSC BSC का वेबसाइट का रिपोर्ट होता है, देन यू हैव रॉयटर्स के अपने रिपोर्ट्स होते हैं, वर्ल्ड बैंक के रिपोर्ट्स होते हैं. यू कैन ऑलवेज रिफर द रिपोर्ट्स. दीज आर बिकमिंग ऑथेंटिक सोर्स. ओके, ये ऑथेंटिक सोर्स है विच वी कैन ऑलवेज रिफर फॉर. देन जहाँ पे एक्चुअली सर्वे करके आपको रिपोर्ट आता है, RBI जब रिपोर्ट देती है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ GDP और आपका कैपिटल इनकम और इंटरेस्ट रेट और द नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन NSSO जो आपको पॉपुलेशन का डेटा देता है, दैट इज ऑल ऑथेंटिक प्राइमरी डेटा सोर्सेस. तो वो कहाँ से मिलेगा? फ्रॉम रिपोर्ट्स, थीसिस, ईमेल्स, कॉन्फ्रेंस प्रोसीडिंग. TY के बच्चों को पता है, आवर कॉलेज हैड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कॉन्फ्रेंस इन 1920 wherein we have asked for some kind of research paper to be published. Okay, तो वो research paper में people do survey, so that kind of things which we can refer. Then company reports, ICICI, Axis Bank, Motilal Oswal, and so on. So many firms are there. Tata, Birlas, Ambani's, their reports can give me an authentic source when I talk about the numbers, numerical study है तब. And an unpublished manuscript. Unpublished manuscript मतलब जब if I am working on a paper or I am working on my research or PhD, at that time I can use those resources also as my one of the source of information. And then secondary is like books which are published already. Your books, newspaper, and some government publications which one can use as an authentic source for reviewing the literature. I hope we all are clear on this part. Let's move ahead. And it's not too fast, right? I'm not too fast. If I'm too fast, please say, type in the chat box, you are very fast. If I'm too fast, please do type in the chat box that I'm too fast. Okay, let's go ahead. So reviewing literature, books why we should refer? Books मतलब आपके text books है, books मतलब कोई reference books है. These are mean for understanding the concept. जैसे अगर मैं consumer behavior बोल रही हूँ, so for studying the consumer behavior, you all may refer your textbooks which are there with you all. Apart from that, there are books by Philip Kotler. There are books by Tata Macmillan का publisher का books. They are very good and simple to understand. So these books we use for increasing our understanding about the concepts. जैसे कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर है, वो तुम्हें कोई भी टेक्स्ट बुक उठा के पता पड़ेगा मुझे, या मुझे इंटरनेट से भी पता पड़ेगा, बट इंटरनेट पे भी आई हैव टू हैव अ राइट सोर्स. सो ईदर आई मे यूज ई बुक्स और आई मे यूज द एक्चुअल बुक्स. देन आई कैन यूज द जर्नल्स किसके लिए? टू चेक द रिसर्च विच इज डन. रिसर्च कितने लोगों ने पहले इसके ऊपर किया है वो समझने के लिए आई हैव टू रिफर अ जर्नल फ्रॉम विच आई विल गेट टू नो people have learned this concept or not. If they have learned the concept, which concept they have learned, which concept is not yet touched by anyone, I will get to know from the journals. क्योंकि books में खाली conceptually चीजें होता है, ठीक है. जब हम लोग journals refer करते हैं, कौन से journals मैं आपको बताऊंगी. And then newspaper articles and magazines we refer for current information. If I want any current updates, current proceeding, current information, I have to refer my either न्यूज पोर्टल के वेबसाइट्स या न्यूज़पेपर्स के एप्लीकेशंस थ्रू विच आई विल गेट टू नो दी डिटेल्स ऑफ द करंट अपडेट. कि कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर ऑनलाइन रिटेलिंग, कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर pre-pandemic and post-pandemic. I may get some of the reports on NDTV. I may get some of the reports on Economic Times. I may get some of the report with reference to it on Times of India. यहाँ पे भी मुझे इसके ऊपर इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सकता है. सो फॉर विच आई हैव टू रिफर these are some of the authentic sources which one can go for. Okay, let's move ahead. I have one paper to show you all. Okay, अब तक समझा ROL क्या है, कैसे करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं? Is it clear to you all? I'll just stop presenting and I'll present my paper with you all. Okay, any doubts, please do ask. Till that time I'll just open up my paper. This is one of the published paper. I'll just minimize my. This is a paper which is published into one of the. Stop presenting. A minute, guys. What I'll do is I'll just share the entire window. Just a minute. Give me a minute, हाँ? 2 मिनट के लिए. Entire window. Vinaya ma'am, give me exactly 10 minutes. I'll be done. Mm, my window is getting hanged. Am I audible? F5. Uh, hello. Hello, my screen has got mute. Nahi, I don't know. My screen is not working. Guys, 2 minutes. My laptop got hanged. Just a minute. I'm just working on that. Nothing can be moved. Vinaya ma'am, please pick up my call, though I'm audible. Actually, I'm just. It's visible here, right? It may be a bit a glitch due to sharing of two screens at a time. So kindly be cooperative. Okay, I'll just show the paper first, and then I will take the queries. Okay, then I will take the queries. So kindly be cooperative. I can feel that there are glitches into even my actions. So this is a paper, research paper. You can see the paper. This is one of the paper which I published with one of my student of TY. A study on need of family life education among youth and adolescents. Okay, paper दिख रहा है सबको? It's seen, right? Yes. Here, yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So how we did review. अभी ये topic कैसे we got to know why to take this particular topic. The thing which was clear in our mind is what there is a need of family life education, or there basically we came on the concept of sex education, which is needed among adolescents like us, which we all are, from school going to college going. So for which we read different sources. Okay, if you can see likewise. यहाँ पे आपको इंडिया 1 करके दिख रहा है. कैन यू सी? आई जस्ट इंक्रीज द साइज. इंडिया -1 दिख रहा है. इंडिया -1 दिख रहा है. दिस इज व्हाट दिस पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ विच वी टुक फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द पेपर. जब मैं रिसर्च पेपर लिखती हूँ, आई एम नॉट यूजिंग ओन माई ब्रेन टू राइट अ पेपर. completely मेरा नहीं होता. All the words cannot be innovative. Something which is very much common, which everybody is using. Okay, so what I have done is I have referred a document which I have given in last into references. ये क्या है, कैसे देना है, plagiarism क्या होता है, ये aspects actually कल के है. But this is how I have referred, I and my student, we have referred a paper, an article. Okay, just a minute. Kindly be patient when I am switching from one screen to other screen. This was one article in India Today, published in 2017, which talks about Indian schools still not ready for sex education. Were you able to see the paper earlier? Okay. यहाँ पे भी. Yes, I'll go on the paper. So this is how we refer to the paper. Okay, we read the paper, and from which we got to know that yes, this is a topic. This is something which is unexplored. This is something which need to be studied. This gave us thought to study. Okay, ये एक part हुआ. Likewise, how we proceeded at a review of literature. Okay, then we went to what it says that I'll just show it. Sex education is a major contributing factor towards a stable society. Regardless, sex, sexuality, and anything related to them is a huge taboo in India. The year 2007, not 17, 2007 witnessed a huge controversy over sex education for adolescents in India. This is what we referred from the article. You got to know how to connect the dots. Dot connection पता पड़ा जो मैं ROL के बारे में आपको बता रही थी. Is it clear to you all how we connect the dot between what we are reading and what we want to publish? Are you all able to understand here too? The other batch? Okay, further we go ahead. ये मेरा abstract हुआ पेपर का. ठीक है, हम लोग रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर पे जाते हैं. पूरा पेपर कैसा है वो मैं तुम लोग को कल बताऊंगी. आई विल टीच टुमारो. Okay, so this is a literature review, how we did review the literature. So this is one of the paper. I'll just only show one. Okay, I'll go on. We have reviewed the 5 paper, out of which there is one paper of Miss Vinita Thomas and Dr. Benno Thomas. Okay, ये paper मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. I'll just go on the paper. This was a paper which we referred from. Okay, strategies adopted by parents to impact sex education to their adolescents. Okay, Miss Vinita Thomas and Bino Thomas, Dr. Bino Thomas. अभी ये पेपर जब हम लोग ने उठाया, that time what we did is we have written the name. This is how we write a review of literature. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? When we write a review of literature, we have to write from whom we have referred. So we have referred from Miss Vinita Thomas and Dr. Bino Thomas in the research paper titled "Strategies Adopted by the Parents to impart sex education to their adolescent." This is what the title of theirs. Can you see? Can you see it? Whatever I'm showing, I'm showing 2 things simultaneously: a paper and my research, our research paper, mine and Vidisha's research paper. Okay. Yes, here too. Let's touch to the same. तो ये इन्होंने पब्लिश किया ये पेपर में, ये जर्नल में. ये डिटेल्स कब देने के बाद में बताती हूँ. तो यहाँ पे आदमी what they have studied. So what I have written in my paper, what we have reviewed in that in this studied the sample which was collected from 50 parents, 11 fathers and 39 mothers who participated in the study of investigation. So here in the paper they are saying that they surveyed, if you can see here, I'll just increase the size of the text, 11 to 13 age group, wherein 50 parents, 11 fathers and 39 mothers who participated in the study. If you can study further, go down, need of the sex education, and then target group. So see, in India, since children becoming age of 11 to 13, there is a need of adolescents teaching into that particular life, for which methodology. See, here is a methodology wherein they collected the data from the parents of adolescents between the age group of 11 to 13. That's what they have studied here. Okay. So see, here it is written that sample was studied Sample of the study was taken from Kolkata, whose children were studying into XYZ school. So this is a sample which I have taken for reviewing कि बाबा इतने लोगों ने इतने लोगों का सर्वे किया था, which I have taken, and उनका conclusion था ये. They concluded that the conclusion what the parents have come out to the stereotype and have begun to approach their adolescent with sex education to be in any context, but there is an urgent requirement of guidelines for parents to refer to and understand the important aspect how to cater these needs, which we have written in our paper here, if you can see. In this study, the researcher concluded that there is a stereotyped attitude among parents as well as teachers towards sex education. The study stated the urgency guidelines for sex life education introduction in coordinated efforts by parents and teachers together to overcome. Conclusion समझा ये सबका क्या है? Have you all got my point? How to write ROL? एक पेपर ही दिखा मैंने. We have reviewed 5 papers and 3 newspaper article and 1 journal article. ये सबको हम मैंने I have shown only one paper. How to review? Did you got it? How to review? Is it clear to everyone? This is what I wanted to show it. I'll just go on my PPT again. See मैंने यहाँ पे बोला था. What you should be reviewing? उनका abstract and introduction. Paper का abstract introduction, their objective, what is their motto, what methodology they used, and what were their findings and conclusion. This is what we should look for in research paper when we are doing a ROL. Okay, and then gap analysis. Basically, ROL helps you to do the gap analysis to get a difference between what they have studied and what is not studied. So we will get to know what is unexplored, what is unaddressed, and that lead to a novel research. When we say novel research matlab something which is unexplored, something which is not done by anyone before. That is called as unexplored. Okay, and with this, these are some of the list of sources. Open sources available है. आप ये SSR run करके है. If you can see here, this is one of the journal which is Elsevier. Elsevier ये highest level का research है जहाँ पे research are worldwidely published, which are most authentic sources, which are most genuine and reliable sources, which you can always refer for. ठीक है, ये Elsevier करके journal है. इसके साथ ही there are other journals like ethos करके है जहाँ पे thesis है, PubMed है, Doge है, Bayes है, Core है, Google Scholar है. Let me show the Google Scholar to you all. You all have Google available, right? हम लोग जब Google पे कोई search करते हैं, जैसे मैंने बोला यहाँ पे online learning. Okay, if I'm talking here about online learning, so here I have a tools. Okay, वो tools में मुझे कैसे results चाहिए, क्या चाहिए, that I will get to know. Apart from that, there is something called as Google Scholar. Where most reliable source you can get on the Google Scholar. When you click on Google Scholar, some scholarly, some academically good, some reliable sources. See, you can see this. और यहाँ पे अगर मैं online learning या online teaching पे जाऊंगी, I will get ample of resources which are there. I can anytime भी option है. If you can see on the screen, since 2021 किसने study किया, क्या study किया. See, I have shown you all Elsevier. ये एक journal है, authentic journal, see, on which the studies have been done. Okay, so this is kind of some of the sources which are available online. I hope you all did understand which can be the authentic sources. Google Scholar is one of the source. You students can also check that. Okay, again Google Scholar पे ये एक आता है, देखो cited by. Can you see cited by? Cited by दिख रहा है. ये cited by भी आपको बताता है कि something which is most referred or less referred. Okay, so this is what about your review of literature. These are again some of the sources which I just said: Elsevier, Emerald, Taylor, Gestor, Open Door, World Bank. These are some of the sources. And for effective research, you all can be associated with some of the organizations. ये क्या organization है? Again, मैं Plagiarism के time पे I will explain you all. Okay. So this is what all from my side for today. Review of literature. If any kind of questions, you may please type in the chat box. Meanwhile, I will minimize and I will hand over to Vinaya ma'am. Till that time, you may please type in the chat box if you have any query about ROL. Okay, if you have any kind of query with ROL, please do type in the chat box. Otherwise, I'll just stop for the day. And I'll hand over the session to Vinaya ma'am. Thank you so much for kindly listening to the session. Over to you, Vinaya ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Sheetal madam. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, dear students. We welcome you all for the Day 2 Student Training Program. I believe I am visible and audible.
Perfect, perfect.
All right, perfect. Thank you. Is the voice echoing?
Not at all.
Okay, thank you. Perfect. Yeah. All right. I believe after this wonderful session, I will be talking about, let me just go ahead and present the screen. I'll be talking about research objectives. Just a minute here. Present the screen. And present the entire screen. When I have to ask questions to you, I can rather come back to the main screen. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I'm presenting. Just a minute here. I believe the screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Sure. Okay, before I start, do you need a break? Or you have already taken the break? Okay, wonderful. What about you? You need a break, Srirag? Yeah? Okay. Delna? All right, fine. Let's take a 2-minute break. You can just go and have a Maggie in that case, 2 minutes. All right, fine. Sure. 12:40, I'll start. Hello. All right. Thank you very much. Okay, just a minute here. Just a minute here. There is some glitch here. Oh my god. Just a minute. Just a minute here. Just a minute, guys. The power has gone off. Just a minute.
Students, give 2 minutes. Huh? There is a electricity issue at ma'am's end. Give 2 minutes. We shall start in a minute or two. Thank you.
Done, done, done. Just a minute. Yeah. Yes. All perfect? Okay. So I believe you wanted, I gave you that more 2 minutes ka extra break. Okay, wonderful. Perfect. So I'm also perfect in that case at my end. Good to go. Yeah, I was presenting my screen, guys. Today we will be talking, this is a day 2. We just understood about literature review and gap analysis. Today I'll be talking about, objective framing and hypothesis framing. Okay. Let's understand when we talk about objectives. You have heard this particular word, objectives? No, Shruti? Probably after 1:30. Yeah. Have you heard about the word objective, guys? What do you think? What is your understanding when we say objectives? Motives, very good. What else? That's it? Actions, goals, perfect. Target, wonderful. That's correct, guys. When we talk about research objectives for that matter, okay, certainly purpose as well. When I say research objectives does what? They describe concisely what the research is trying to achieve. They're going to summarize, accomplishments a researcher wishes to achieve through the project and going to provide direction to the study out there. When we say research objective, it is clear, concise, declarative statement which certainly provides direction to investigate the variables out there. Guys, yesterday itself we had a wonderful session when we understood variables. Can you guys just tell me, can you guys recollect the variables? Can you just drop the message in the chat? What variables we have understood yesterday? We learned about variables, right? Anybody? Changeable. Okay. I want the name of the variables. And when we talk about variables, there were 2 different variables. A hint to y'all. Often changing. Fine. But kya hai wo? Anyone remember? Very good. Dependent and independent variables. Very good, Lysandra. Very good. Very good, Aishwarya as well. We talk about dependent and independent variables, guys. Okay. So generally research object focus is on the ways to measure the variables, like, to identify, to describe them. Objectives are directed, towards identifying the relationship and difference between these 2 variables out there. Objective should be closely related to the statement of the research problem. Okay, some examples I can give you about objectives. I can say, for example, market research objectives क्या रहेगा या market research purpose के ऊपर if I want to draw some objectives, it could be obviously brand awareness, brand image, consumer perception, consumer attitude, buying behavior, consumer experiences, etc., etc. Okay, let's understand the types of research. When we talk about types of research objectives, there are two most important types of research objectives. One is general and the other one is specific. When I say general objective, it states that researchers expect to achieve by the study in general terms. Okay, when I say specific, the word itself says, it is, specific to aspects of that particular topic we want to study. Specific objectives certainly are smaller than logically connected parts of the general objective. Okay, we can say to compare, to calculate, to explain, or for that matter. Specific objectives would rather specify what I'm going to do in my study, where and for what purpose out there. Let's understand objective framing. When we say objective framing, it comprises between, if you can see this particular diagram here, objective framing yahan par hai. So objective framing, it comprises between research process and research purpose. Objective framing is nothing but it comprises between research process and research purpose. When I say research process, it involves identifying, locating, assessing, and analyzing the information you need to support your research question, and then developing and expressing your ideas. We all have understood till now, research is a systematic process. It has to be laid down with some pattern. So, जब मैं research बोलती हूँ, basic research, okay? The pattern could be, what? When we talk about research, the pattern for research is nothing but planning, data collection, and analysis out there. Getting it, everyone? Okay. So in research process, we need to understand there should be appropriate planning, there should be data collection, there's going to be an analysis out there. When I say research purpose, it is what? It is the statement of why the study is being conducted and the goals of the study. Research purpose, what it states, why the study is being conducted and the goals of the study. Research objectives are derived from the purpose. They set out what is to be achieved in my research in specific terms. No doubt they are crucial for every research. Formulating research aim and objectives is an appropriate manner, and it is one of the important aspects of any research. It is because research aim and objectives are going to determine my scope, my depth, and my overall direction towards the research. When we say research question, research question is a central question of the study which has to be answered on the basis of my research findings. As a thumb rule, there would be one research aim and there could be several research objectives to facilitate the achievement of my aim with respect to the study. Let's further understand the importance of research objectives. Research is an organized investigation. We talk about planning, we talk about data collection, analysis. Your investigator aims to gain solution to the problem. The research objectives will further enlighten, the way the research has to proceed. It will give a direction. Objectives will always give direction to you guys. Okay. Research objectives will also help you to focus the study in identifying the variables and facilitating in the development of the methodology. Once the researcher starts gathering data for the research, especially the secondary data, I would say, he or she, the researcher, will come with abundant data related to the research. बहुत data मुझे मिल जाता है. The objectives help the researcher to stick to the current research and avoid any diversion from the research. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैम ने कल एग्जाम्पल दिया था यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में. अगर हम लोग बोलते हैं, वांट टू गैदर द डेटा कलेक्शन के बारे में बोल रही हूँ. ओके, सो 50,000 स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द यूनिवर्सिटी. It is so very difficult, I need to have a proper objective. I can stick to my current study and, I would rather, get appropriate data for myself. The objective of the research is going to summarize what is to be achieved. Research objective is a concrete statement. When we talk about research objectives, there's something called as SMART. It should be SMART objectives, which means specific, crystal clear hona chahiye, boss. It should be written, precise and clear. Make objectives specific, significant, realistic and achievable. It should be measurable. The techniques which you use was, I should be able to measure my objectives. I should be able to, measure my goals. Achievable होना चाहिए. Unexaggerated goals बना नहीं सकते हो बॉस आप लोग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने अभी आपको बोल दिया कि 2 मिनट में मैगी बनाना है. पॉसिबल है क्या? नहीं है. यस गाइस, एग्जाम्पल नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, 2 मिनट में मैगी नहीं बनता है. All right. So how much minute it takes to make a Maggie? 5? True. At least 3 minutes or at least 5 minutes. एक comparison लेते हैं हम लोग. 5 to 7 minutes. Very good, Shruti. At least achievable है in 5 to 7 minutes. If I give you 5 minutes, 5 minutes में Maggie बना के दिखाऊं. Possible है, right? That's what we talk about, guys. So objectives need to be perfect. That's true. Thank you. So when we talk about objectives, achievable होना चाहिए end of the day में. Getting it? So 5 minutes में शायद बन के हो जाएगा, थोड़ा कच्चा पक्का हो जाएगा, whatever in that case. Okay? It needs to be realistic. Acknowledge your research constraints. Okay? We need to understand objectives will always fall under the range of results. These results are expected to be achieved within the limitations. Realistic होना चाहिए. टाइम बाउंड होना चाहिए. बॉस अगर आपने बोला कि हाँ मैगी बनाने के लिए भाई कोई टाइम नहीं, आराम से बनाते रहो, हम तो 1 घंटा लेके भी मैगी को बना सकते हैं, फिर उसका क्या बन जाएगा? सूप बन जाएगा. Getting it, everyone? All right. So we need to understand that time bound is very important for your goals to be achieved in that case at the end of the day. In any research paper, objectives will always be 2 to 4. When we talk about thesis, for example, I've completed my PhD, even Dr. Sheetal madam had completed. So obviously in our thesis, it's going to be 7 to 8 or even more in that case, objectives. Okay. Minimum 7 to 8 to hona hi chahiye, boss. Next, let's take an example here to understand objective kaisa banana hota hai. Yeah. The first title here is Consumers' Perception on Online Shopping. Consumers' Perception on Online Shopping is the title by Dr. R. Shantal, Dr. Keshti Kanaya, too. This is from Journal of Marketing and Consumer Research, internal peer-reviewed journal. Objective हमेशा याद रखने का, we need to start with the word to, T-O-2. This is the crux in making the objectives. Every objective should rather start with T-O-2. To know the type of products purchased by consumers through online shopping, we are talking about consumers' perception on online shopping. To identify the factors influencing consumer to buy online. All right? Is this clear with everyone? Let's take one more example here. Yeah. Here the title is Impact of COVID-19 on Higher Education in India by Dr. Priyanka Dood, and this is from International Journal of Creative Research Thoughts. Here, the objective, as I told you, हमेशा boss 2 से ही चालू करेंगे. अब उसके आगे कुछ भी लिखो in material. In the sense, it should start, it cannot say study the impact. No. The objective of the study should rather start with TO2. To study the impact of COVID-19 in higher education in India, to understand the challenges and opportunities in higher education in India, to understand the teaching and learning process after COVID-19 from different stakeholders. Is this particular part with respect to research objectives is clear with everyone? Yeah? Any questions? Okay. Next. Chalo. All right. Yesterday I spoke about with respect to some movies, right? याद है आपको? Yesterday I was just speaking about you with respect to some movies. Yeah, true. Okay, just think about now. Diwali is coming. Holidays will be coming, no doubt. We are virtually in the holiday mode, but still we are not holidaying in that case. Two meanings are there. We cannot go on holiday as an on a safe manner without the mask and everything. So it becomes a difficulty in enjoying holidays as well. Just think about, guys, in Diwali, everything is gonna be normal. Thinking as in COVID is not there, has disappeared. We would rather think in Mumbai, everybody is vaccinated, boss. Diwali, okay? एंड सर जस्ट डिसाइड कि आप लोग के फ्रेंड्स लोग ना सब जाके डिसाइड करते हैं चलो मूवी देखने को जाते हैं. ओके, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कोई भी मूवी चलेगा बिकॉज मुझे थिएटर जाने का है, राइट? सो आपका एक फ्रेंड बोलेगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल श्रीराग बोलेगा मैं जाके मूवी का टिकट्स निकालने जाता हूँ. ओके, सो श्रीराग, वेयर यू वुड लाइक टू गो टू वॉच अ मूवी? इन ऑर्बिट, ओबरॉय, ग्रोवल्स और रघुलीला? Any other options? You don't watch movies. What was this sign for? What was this message for, Srirag? Okay, whatever, fine. Which location you would like to go for a movie? Grovels, Ragulila, Oberoi Mall, and in Orbit. Fast. Anyone? Okay, anyone with suits. All right. Anyone? Guys, just give me an example where you would like to go for a movie. इन ऑर्बिट. चलो, ईशा ने बोल दिया इन ऑर्बिट, ठीक है. या थैंक यू श्रुति. सो हम लोग सोचते चलो इन ऑर्बिट जाते हैं हम. ओके, सो आप लोग सब पहुंच गए. ग्रोवल्स भी चलेगा, बट अभी हमें इन ऑर्बिट का ऑप्शन लेती हूँ जीनल. हाँ, तो आप लोग बोलेंगे कि चलो श्रीराग जाके सब टिकट्स लेकर आता है. ओके, 10-15 फ्रेंड्स आर देयर. एंड जब हम लोग सब पहुंच जाते हैं, सोचो मैं भी आपके साथ में हूँ, ठीक है, फॉर द मूवी. So मैं तो obviously I will say I mean, you know, I cannot come to buy the tickets. So Shira will say I will go ahead because I stay near to in orbit and I will get the tickets and you all can come आराम से. So हम लोग मूवी चालू होने के पहले भाई चले जाते हैं, वहां पे पहुंच जाते हैं. So भाई सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन हम क्या पूछेंगे, भाई कौन सा मूवी देखने वाले हम लोग? टाइटल ऑफ द मूवी. ओके, जस्ट थिंक टाइटल ऑफ द मूवी इज, एक मिनट, आई एम जस्ट टाइपिंग. Just a minute, I'm just typing that side also, the class. Title of the movie is जैसे को कॉकरोच. ओके, नाम में क्या रखा है? ऑलराइट, जैसे को कॉकरोच is the title of the movie. Yeah. So guys, what comes to your mind in that case when I say the movie title? What is the first thing which will come to your mind when I say movie title? जैसे को कॉकरोच, क्या दिमाग में आता है आपको? LOL बोल दिया श्रीराग ने, ठीक है. What else you would think? All right. What you would think about the movie in that case? दिमाग में क्या आता है आपके? Ogie and cockroaches hero. What about here? Sanjana, Jinal, might be funny movie. Okay. What else? Faiza is saying cockroaches hero. All right. Anything more hilarious? Isha is saying okay. All right. So we all, would rather think that, कि भाई movie may not be romantic. Okay, movie might be with all of cockroaches only. Okay, the movie may not may like maybe adventurous. It may be action in that case. But when you saw the movie, yes, Shruti, waste of time, true. But guys, when you saw the movie, you were in a shock in that case. Because it was completely different to what you thought about the movie. Getting it, everyone? Okay? So आपने जो मूवी के बारे में सोचा था, it is certainly not like that. It is something different only about the movie. Getting it, everyone? So guys, so what you thought initially about the movie is called as an hypothesis. Okay? I'm going to type in something here. guys, what we initially think about the movie, all right, what you all thought about the movie is nothing but an hypothesis usko bolte hum log. So hypo means before, pre-theory in that case. Getting it, everyone? And thesis, obviously, it means by theory. So what is your thinking about any pre-theory and research? All right, your pre-theory and research is equal to hypothesis. I just typed in something. It is pre-theory, okay? Typo error. When we talk about pre-theory and research, it is nothing but an hypothesis. It could be a possibility that after the research is complete, your hypothesis can be positive or can be negative. जैसे को कॉकरोच मूवी देखने के बाद आपको लगेगा अरे वाह क्या मूवी है, बहुत बढ़िया है. Understanding? Ideally, your perception earlier was completely different, but when we actually see the movie, that means we actually conduct the lecture, or you can say actually you conduct the research and you complete the research. That is when your perception and your hypothesis could be right and could be wrong as well. It can be positive or it can be negative as well. For example, human body consists of many cells, guys. A house consists of so many bricks. In the very same manner, smallest part of theory is hypothesis. When we verify those hypotheses, we get to know it is called as a theory in that case. Okay? So when we I would rather say smallest part of every theory is a hypothesis. When I'm going to verify my hypothesis, I will get to know that it is correct theory. The theory is correct out there. Okay, everyone? Now, when we talk about hypothesis framing for that matter, or a hypothesis, it is normal formal tentative statement, of an expected relationship between two or more variables, independent variable, or it could be dependent variable under your study. When I say a hypothesis, it helps to translate the research problem and objectives into a clear explanation and prediction of the expected results and outcomes of the research study. It is nothing but a clearly defined and stated hypothesis which talks about variables, and those variables can be measured, can be manipulated, thus to identify my population sample size to be examined and indicating the proposed outcome of the study. हम लोग उसको tentative statement बोलते हैं, prediction बोलते हैं. Why? Hypothesis is a tentative prediction or explanation of a relationship between two or more variables. Because I understand at the end of my research कि मेरा hypothesis positive है या negative है. Okay? With the types we will be seeing it further. Sources of hypothesis लेते हैं. Okay? For example, हमारा observations होता है. One minute. So when we talk about sources of hypothesis, for that matter, we have our own observations. Okay? Daily practices, for that matter, past observations, past experiences, assumptions. True, very good, Aishwarya. I just didn't see it then. I just saw now the message. Assumptions also. Okay? Our past observations, our past experiences, which we rather share with everyone. Reviews. Hota kya hai? Getting it, everyone? Cultural and tradition based. We all have our own cultures and traditions. हमें कल्चर्स में बोलेंगे ओके फाइन, अब जब रात में ना बाल खुले छोड़ के नहीं जाना चाहिए, भूत लग जाएगा in that case. But understand it's about the culture. We talk about it in our traditions. We all say that. Okay, don't wear a white dress in that case, or a complete attire. Superstitions, completely true. Yeah. So these are all cultural and traditional based hypotheses. Folk story. नानी में पता है हम लोग को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग भी फ्रेंड्स में बोलते ना, हाँ चलो भूत का कहानी सुनाते, कभी कभी we make those भूत का कहानीज, isn't it? True, they are all called as hypothesis. Personal experiences. जब हमारा experiences भी I'm going to share with others, what are you doing? You are sharing your hypothesis with others. It's a pre-theory. Okay? Yeah. Social change. We all have our own perceptions in that case. We all have our own point of view towards any particular cause in that case. Getting it? These are all each and every individual's hypothesis, guys. It may be right, it may be wrong. When you prove it by doing some research, by using some technologies, techniques, methods, probably you understand ki, is it going to be a null or an alternate hypothesis. We'll be seeing it now. Yeah. Hypothesis features for that matter. कैसा hypothesis होना चाहिए बॉस? सबसे पहला ना conceptual clarity होना चाहिए, which means hypothesis should consist of clearly defined and understandable concepts. I should have my hypothesis to be descriptive, simple. Okay, empirical matlab research must have an ultimate empirical basis from the area of inquiry through observations and experience should be considered with only some theoretical experiences. Okay, for example, जब मैं hypothesis set करती हूँ तो उसके पहले do I have a theory out there? You're getting it, everyone? It should be objectivity. Hypothesis must be objective. It should facilitate the objective in the data collection and which will keep my research actively free from the researchers or any individual's value judgments. I may think about something in the very same manner. You may also think about something. जैसा मैं सोचती हूँ जरूरी नहीं आप भी वैसा सोचना चाहिए. We all are different. You're getting it? But still it has to be an objectivity out towards your research. Hypothesis is going to provide objectivity to the research. We need to understand in data collection and to keep the research activity free or from any value judgments from individuals. एक very good example बताती हूँ मैं. Objectivity means lack of biases for that matter. Prejudices, very good example. Okay, hypothesis should be clear and specific to the goals of the researcher. Very important. भाई मेरा objective ये है, मैंने इसके हिसाब से मेरा hypothesis set किया है. Getting it? Specificity. It should be specific and not general. Yeah, it should explain the relation between two variables. Getting it? Relevant. Hypothesis should be relevant to the problem and objectives of my study. It should be testable. जैसे मैंने बताया, hypothesis हमेशा testable होना चाहिए. We cannot draw moral judgments here with respect to hypothesis. Okay? Statements saying, bad parenting will produce bad children. No, this sort of hypothesis cannot be tested there. At times, bad parenting can also make a children an IS officer. Anything it could be. Okay? We just need to have a consistency out there. A hypothesis should be consistent with an existing body of theories, research findings. Thus should correspond to the existing knowledge out there. Simple होना चाहिए boss. Simple and understandable manner में. Verifiability, which means a good hypothesis should be actually verified in practical term. जब मैं practicality करती हूँ, practical approach use करती हूँ मेरे hypothesis के लिए, I should be able to verify my hypothesis. Purposiveness, which means researcher must formulate only purposeful hypothesis which has relevance with my research problem and my research objectives. Okay? It has a correlation with my research objectives. I was talking about null and alternate hypothesis, guys. That's what I'm talking about right now. Okay? Null hypothesis, matlab kya? A null hypothesis is a type of hypothesis used in statistics which it proposes that there is no difference between certain characteristics of a population. There is no difference between IDV and DV, which means there is no relation between dependent variable and independent variables. One way to prove that this particular case is to reject the null hypothesis. So it doesn't say हम लोग उसको reject कर रहे हैं. Because जब हम no relation बोलते हैं ना, it is a fact, a proven fact कि भाई I am stepping towards further inquiry. Getting it, everyone? For example, hyperactivity is unrelated to eating sugar. So if the hypothesis is tested and found to be false, so using statistics, there can be a connection between hyperactivity and sugar ingestion. And it can be indicated as well. Is the null hypothesis clear with everyone? Which talks about no relation out there. Yeah, true. Perfect. Let's go for the next one. Alternate hypothesis. It is contrary to the null hypothesis. Null bolta there is no relationship. ये बोलता है there is something more than. For example, if you are using a null hypothesis like I am going to win up to 1,000 rupees. So my alternate hypothesis is gone. I am going to win more than $1,000. It's usually taken to be that observations are a result of a real effect. I'm going to prove there. There's going to be a measurability out here. Okay, let me just give you some examples here. Further, we'll be seeing examples. Yeah, I'll come back to this one. All right. The case here is the consumer behavior towards online shopping in Coimbatore city, an exploratory study by Dr. V. Shanti, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Humanities, PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, and Dr. L. Nanda Gopal, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities, PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, International Journal of Pure and Applied Mathematics. हमारा टाइटल क्या है बॉस? The consumer behavior towards online shopping in Coimbatore city, an exploratory study. Now, my objective क्या रहेगा? To study the relationship between consumer attitude and online shopping intention. Is the title clear to everyone? Okay, हाँ. तो टाइटल बोल रहा है कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, ये सोएंजो सिटी में. परफेक्ट. मेरा पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या रहेगा? टू स्टडी द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन कंज्यूमर एटीट्यूड एंड ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इंटेंशन. सो माय हाइपोथेसिस HO हम लोग लिखते हैं फॉर नल हाइपोथेसिस, H1 लिखते हैं हम लोग ऑल्टरनेट हाइपोथेसिस के लिए. HO null hypothesis is there is no significant relationship between the two variables age and consumer attitude factors. H1, there is significant relationship between the age and consumer attitude factors. Null hypothesis बोल रहा है भाई कोई relationship नहीं है दो variables में. Alternate बोल रहा है भाई there is a relationship, there is a significant relationship between the age and consumer attitude factors. Is this clear? Getting it, everyone? Perfect. Let's take one more example then, okay? This is this is the next objective which I've set, okay? Same. To determine the relationship between the demographic variables and the factors of consumer attitude. Title same है मेरा, okay? दो objectives है मेरे पास. To determine the relationship between the demographic factors and variables of consumer attitude. So मेरा HO क्या रहेगा? Null hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between educational qualification and consumer attitude factors. H1 alternate would say there is a significant relationship between the educational qualification and consumer attitude factors there. Is this clear to everyone, guys? Null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. Yeah, there was one particular part which I had to, do it. I'll just complete that. For this example, I just, moved ahead from its slides. There are some steps for hypothesis framing, सबसे पहला ROL हमने देखा अभी, review of literature. It is what? It is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a particular topic and study. Literature review, what it does, it surveys scholarly articles, books, other resources relevant to the particular area of research. The review should enumerate, describe, summarize, and directly evaluate and clarify the previous research. जिससे मुझे समझते हो कि फाइन ये सब ऑलरेडी हुआ है, इसके अलावा मैं क्या एडिशंस दे सकता हूं मेरे रिसर्च में. Research gap is nothing but a topic and area for which any missing information, insufficient information which limits the ability to reach to a particular conclusion. It is always also defined as a gap which limits the ability for the decision makers, to be policy makers, practitioners, anyone for making decisions. We talk about research problem here. It is a statement about an area of concern, a condition to be improved, a difficulty to be eliminated, or a troubling question which exists in scholarly literature, in theory or in practice, which points out to the need for meaningful understanding and deliberate investigation out there. research objectives. It is obviously linked with my hypothesis, a statement of purpose in a study. We will define the variables. We need to explain the independent and dependent variables there. Getting it? In defining the variables, we talk about DV and IDV, independent and independent variables. At the initial, at the last, we talk about frame statements, or I'm going to frame my hypothesis here, which will reflect a prediction and that have to be testable. तब मुझे समझेगा भाई null है कि alternate है boss. The results of the hypothesis testing directly help to answer the research questions and draw to the inferences of the study. I will rather get to know मेरा conclusions क्या है with the help of these hypotheses, guys. Is this clear with everyone? Okay. This was the example which we had understood. These are some references for my particular presentation, which we have researched. Do you have any questions for the day, guys? Have any questions, students? All right. I believe you all have understood. Yes, guys, I hope you all have understood. Okay. Perfect. Thank you very much. All right, guys. So this is the conclusion for the day 2. Thank you. Thank you. So, Sonal madam.
Okay, all right. So we have concluded the day 2 successfully. So
Tomorrow
thank you
we will
so
be,
much, Vinaya
talking
ma'am
about
and
the
Sheetal
further
ma'am, for your
how a
input.
research paper have
It
to be
was
done. For that matter,
really
the
a
complete
valuable
content in that.
information what
I'm
the
sorry. I'm
students
sorry. I'm
have
sorry.
received. Like they have
Sonal madam.
learned how to frame the hypothesis. The more importantly, they know how now what is ROL, because this is the main question which comes up when they are actually doing the research. People get confused with this. So thank you so much for your information given. So students, I thank you all for maintaining the same spirit like yesterday, and also the decor, and also you made this program very interactive, the session very interactive. Thank you so much for your contributions. Thank you guys. And just before you leave, I'll just post the feedback link in the chat box. Do fill it. Okay. Yeah, this is the feedback link. And also, just to keep you informed, everyone, tomorrow is the last day of the student training program. That is day 3. Don't miss it. Okay, because tomorrow, based on your feedback, your certificates will be generated. So don't miss the last day of the program. So see you tomorrow at the same time and with the same enthusiasm. Okay, have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Sonal ma'am. Thank you, students. Thank you, Vinaya ma'am. Thank you, Sonal ma'am. Thank you, Vinaya ma'am. Thank you, students.